Here are some of the extension box myths that leads to its misuses, which causes overheat and fire risk. Number one, people always believe that extension boards are for permanent use, but the truth is that it is for temporary. It is not permanent. Constantly leaving your appliances in it for a long time causes overheat and fire risk. Number two is that people do what we call daisy chaining. They think that when they bring one extension box and plug to another, maybe to go to an extent of where they want to use it, they have stabilized the power. It is not true. It is the same power that one outlet socket is giving is what you have. Overloading them causes overheat and fire risk. Number three, people believe that once you bring one extension box and plug to an outlet socket, it increases the power. But the bitter truth is that it doesn't increase any power. It is the same power. In fact, from any socket outlet, you have 15 to 20 amps voltage flow from it. Anything above it is overload, and it will cause fire risk. Number four is this: people believe that using tape is what they call installation tape to cover any cut from extension box is normal. The truth is that it is not normal, because tape is not a healthy installation. Whenever there is a cut and there is an exposure of any cable, the best is to change them all. Number five goes this way: people believe that extension box, they can use it for space heater and rest of them. The truth is this: extension boxes are not meant to use for heavy drawing current, such as heater, air fryer, hair dryer, and the rest of them. The consequence is overload and fire risk. Then another point is that extension boxes are not meant to be used under rug. People will put it in their houses and they use rug and cover it. Listen, when that happens, there will be heat trap. There is no place to be releasing the heat. And what happens? It will lead to broken down of the cable, melting, and fire risk along the line. Then another point is this: people use the coil cable. They will just plug and use the rest coiled. It is the same thing with those who heat it under the rug, because rug is polythene. So when you coil it and leave it, there will be no space for the heat to go out. It will still melt and cause fire risk. This is Kachi Electrical Safety and Power Education. If you like what you are hearing, like, comment, share, and most importantly, follow for more healthy and electrical tips. If you have any question, drop it there. I'll answer you to the best of my knowledge.